15 lakh students appear for JEE Mains and 2.5 lakhs are able to qualify JEE Advanced, and qualifying is not enough. You need a score such that you get a seat in NIT, and that is 25,000 in numbers. So what are the key mistakes that can take you from 99 percentile to 90 percentile or 92 percentile, and you will miss the goal of 99 percentile in January attempt? So I am here to help you out. I am going to tell you a perfect strategy. By following that, you will be able to get 99 percentile, and let me tell you, this is the only way to get it. Okay, so your rank is decided by what you do in these 60 days. Only 60 days left, nothing more. So what you need to do, first thing is stop wasting time in the topics which are very rarely asked. You might be having many backlogs at this time, but the point is, if you put more energy and time in the topics which are very rarely asked, that is not worth. You need to invest your time very, I'll say, nicely, such that you put more energy in those topics which are more frequently asked as compared to the topics which are less frequently asked. And the next thing is, target most scoring subtopics of the chapters. Each chapter has subtopics which are very, I'll say, very much asked, very often asked. So if I say you, like, these things are asked from kinematics, these things are asked from potential, these things are asked from capacitor, these things are asked from electric charges and fields. You must know all these things such that you clear all the concepts very nicely. Next is, the PYQ analysis is required to understand the varieties of questions asked. Okay, now let me tell you, like, let us take river crossing. What are the varieties that are asked? Do you know that? Oh, I know that. Like, what is the shortest time to cross a river? Okay, in which angle he should swim such that the drift is 0? Okay, another variety is swimming across a line. Let us take at an angle 30° with the vertical, in which direction he should swim now, so that resultant he moves in that direction. So these three varieties are there. I know. If I ask you, like, what are the varieties that are asked in capacitor questions, or if I ask you what are the varieties of questions in photoelectric effect, so you need to know all these things. When you will get to know, when you analyze the PYQs, what things have NTA asked till now. And the next thing is, you need perfect one shots to revise all those topics in lesser time. Let us take your modern physics is a backlog, and you need to revise modern physics. If you try to do yourself, and you will waste so much of time, like it may take you days to cover all the things. But if you have a video of 3-4 hours where every concept is very nicely covered, all the PYQs that are asked, the varieties of the PYQs is shown to you, and the concepts that is required to solve the questions very quickly, I'll say in lesser time, you get to know there. And after that, you need a hand-picked set of problems, because just by seeing a teacher solving in the class is not enough. You need to have a hand-picked set of problems which have all those varieties of questions which are asked by NTA, all those key concepts which are frequently asked by NTA, that are there in that particular set, such that after solving that, you are very confident that any question of river crossing, any question of Rainman problem, I can solve. If NT asks this, I can answer. If NT asks this, I can answer. If NT asks this, I can answer. All these things must be thorough with you. Now I'm going to tell you. Now I'm going to tell you the one-stop solution for all these things, and that is our channel PWJE English. Here you'll get the gunshots of the topic, where all the details of the topics are very nicely covered, all the key concepts are covered, all the varieties of the PYQs are shown, all the short tricks are discussed, and not only that, you'll get the notes, you'll get the DPPs, everything is provided. And here you have one of the best faculties to discuss all these things. So you subscribe to this channel, you'll get to know all the things. Now the thing is, you may say, sir, DPPs, where will get the DPPs? You'll get the DPPs on our app, that is PW app. And as you know, many of the students who prepare for competitive exam take help of PW app, and by taking help of PW app, many students have already got one of the top ranks in JEE Advanced, in JEE Mains, in NEET, and many more competitive exams. So make sure you go to the app, join our free batch, and there you'll get the link, there you'll get the notes and the practice sheets, because practice is very important, and notes It will help you to revise all the things again in lesser time. Okay, so where you'll get the link of that, the link of our app is there in the description of this video, and you go there, okay, you join the free batch, all the things will be there. So thank you all, see you there.